Oh my gosh, did y'all hear that? A hummingbird just flew by me. Thought it was a bee. I should have stayed still. Maybe it would have landed on me. But anyways, the storm's coming in. I think that's going away. But who knows? And there's only one person in control of the weather. He's not a person. I guess he is, kind of. The Holy Spirit, Yeshua HaMashiach, and Elohim. It's beautiful weather today. Right now. See you on the next segment whenever I think about how to come up with a storyline for this. All right, bye.